Hello everyone and welcome to the presentation for ITech 7400, and our topic for this is Information Technology Service Management and Professional Culture, and we're specifically focusing on Amazon. Now I'd like to introduce you to my team members. First, me, Roshni Dahal, and then we have Rajveer Kaur and Gursharan. We're a team of 3 and our student IDs are mentioned here. Moving on to introduction, ITSM is Information Technology Service Management, which involves activities that are performed by an organization to design, plan, deliver, operate, and to control information technology services offered to customers. An infrastructure library refers to a group of documents which is correlated to ITSM and provides a framework and best practices for building an IT service management solution. Organizations supporting an IT structure can increase efficiency while reducing service management cost if they follow recommended ITIL process. Now, a little background on ethical philosophy followed by Amazon. Amazon is a multinational technology company, follows e-commerce, which is buying, selling, and advertising their products online, which was started in 1995 by Jeff Bezos. The total asset is 225 billion and net income was 12 billion in 2019. By 2020, total number of employees was more than 1 million and the total equity of this organization was US 62 billion. According to the business portfolio of the company, corporate governance and business conduct ensure lawful and ethical practices and acts from the employees. This approach is mainly considered to apply the right ethics in performing duty without any consequences, which is a deontological approach, but it also follows utilitarianism approaches transform pain into pleasure and maximize happiness or social utility. Next, contemporary approaches to deal with the social impact of technology. Establishing honesty, which is free from misleading bribery and providing realistic estimation to the organization, and distinguishing between personal and professional advice is also an essential approach. Fulfilling the needs of stakeholders and respecting the interests of the stakeholders and complying with the processes with legislation and in Australian standards are vital approaches to deal with the impact of technology in the environment of IT service. Best practices for an organization with the use of information technology service management. All the activities in the organization, like we have covered in Amazon, will be involving the customers. Therefore, the accurate implementation of information technology service management becomes essential to gain major success in modern competitive businesses. And also knowing that these are the services we need to provide and which will benefit an organization. The changes will be without or with customer feedback, and these feedbacks are very essential for the growth of an organization.
Thank you, Roshni. Hello everyone, my name is Rajveer Kaur and my student ID is 303658841. Now I'm going to discuss about the influence of human behavior and its impact on organizational culture. Every person has its own personal ethics and values, which are largely affected by the people and the culture of their society in which they live. Due to different ethics and values, their opinion are sometimes different in the organization decision making, which due to which there is a that leads to a conflict. And to solve these kind of situations, or to handle these kind of situations, the ACS code of ethics is introduced in the organization. Next is personal standards of ITSM must enhance formal qualification, and Amazon organization should introduce education schemes. Human behavior and different individual interests can create conflicts which can be handled through ACS code of ethics. Now come to the certification and SAFIA skills in Amazon. The main IT certifications of this organization are AWS and cloud training certifications, and the other IT certifications are PMI, ACS, ISTQB, which enhance the quality of knowledge and skills of the individuals working there. Autonomy is working under a broad direction which can be self-initiated, and the professionals are completely responsible for the fulfillment of the project objectives. Complexity in the performance covers an extensive range of professionals and technical principles. Now come to the approaches to manage IT professionals and life cycle functions and processes. ITSM is in the organization is based on plan, design, delivery control and operations that are necessary procedures to manage professionals. It's the responsibility of top level management to provide accurate education to ITSM professionals through training and other educational schemes. Now come to service transaction. Mainly focus on the required changes and the business processes, which is needed to meet the stakeholders' requirement and provide efficiency and effectiveness in the business processes. Now, service design is simply the strategy for designing the infrastructure which are necessary to fulfill the needs of the market and the customers. Now, what is ITIL? Communication and Professional Presentation Approaches. ITIL simply a framework of best practices which assist accurate use of ITSM services. Amazon needs to ensure that the developing different versions of libraries can help in getting more operational advances. ITL is also highly related to lifecycle of ITSM in an organization. Amazon must communicate with their stakeholders with professional channels, which helps to improve trust and integrity, like build trust and integrity between the stakeholders. That's all. Next part will be discussed by Gulsharan Kaur.
Thank you, Rajveer. Hi, everyone. My name is Gursharan Kaur. My student ID is 303874111, and I'm going to present the rest of the slides. This slide shows the practices and the process of service management. So basically, service level agreement between the suppliers is mainly ensure the flow of the customers and a service. So service level agreement between the customer that plays a very vital role because it is a relationship between the customers and the service providers. So for example, in in Amazon, so a service level agreement between the internal customer of the Amazon is the internal level of agreement, right? So which connects the internal customers and the managers together. Service strategies include service portfolio management of ITIL in the ITSM of Amazon. This slide shows the BRM skills framework and career plan for IT professional transition. Basically, BRM is a vital process of ITIL and ITSM which assists the establishment of the commitment which applied for the customer as well as the organization. BRM also includes a major framework for their customer trainings and a business process trainings to develop the skills for their employees. And of course, transition in this service is a major step to achieve goals throughout the ITIL. And if I'm talk about Amazon, Amazon should have to focus on specialized skill to enhancement programs such as AWS, which is ultimately assist to ensure accurate human resources for their organization. Moving to this slide, it shows the global business proposition of Amazon. So basically, Amazon is mainly focused on providing large quantities and more option for their customers. Basically, Amazon trying to satisfy the satisfaction of the customers, and ITSM in the Amazon can assist in building high responsibility in the business operation and also assisting to enhance the satisfaction level of their customers. And automated solution for their business and IRM accelerated can assist in maintaining their goals network of the business. Experienced employees of ITIL and of course ITSM can provide a major advantages, like they can make good strategies, they have good skills and resources and of course processes. So slides shows the overall conclusion of this presentation, which said that ITSM in global organization can provide major advantages, growth of the company, and of course, Amazon can increase the satisfaction level by training their employees in such a good way. Here is a list of my references which support all the content of this presentation. And of course, I want to thank to my teammates who are so supportive and hard worker, who have a strong sense of their roles and responsibility to complete this task. And of course, and my tutors, my team, lecturers who are so supportive and who guide us in such a great way that we are able to make this assignment. So thanks to everyone, and I hope you like this video.